If your curls don't last more than one day and even furthermore, then this video is for you. Hi guys, I'm Sanjana from Pretty Cats and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here to help you understand your hair care, skincare, makeup and fashion better. And if it sounds good, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain why your curls are not long lasting and how to make your curls last long. So let's begin. अगर आपके बाल लूज हेयर पैटर्न के हैं लाइक 2A 2B वेव्स, तो वो टाइटर कर्ल पैटर्न से ज़्यादा लाइकली है कि वो ज़्यादा देर तक होल्ड ना कर पाए, वेट डाउन हो जाए. सेकेंडली, इफ़ योर हेयर इज कोर्स देन इट इज़ काफ़ी टाइट एंड काफ़ी फर्म, so that it won't weight down and it can coil up, it can be very tight and long lasting. Then the fine and silky hair who are very likely to drop down and lose its curl pattern and weight down. Another reason can be you are just starting curly hair routine, you are a beginner. So in that case, your hair is not transitioned. You have to give it 8 to 9 months time to totally transition your hair. Because आपके बाल बहुत सालों से सिलिकॉन्स नेस्टिस पे है, ऊपर से कोई मॉइस्चर नहीं है, तो वो होल्ड अप कैसे करेगा? तो उसके लिए आपको टाइम देना पड़ेगा. सो इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर देन चिल, जस्ट फॉलो योर हेयर केयर रूटीन एंड यू विल गेट लॉन्ग लास्टिंग कर्ल्स इन द एंड. Maybe if your hair is damaged and if you have high porosity hair, then also your hair is not healthy. So your hair will take time to get long lasting curls. So that can be a reason. Another reason can be over moisturization or under moisturization. If you over moisturized your hair, तो वो weight down हो जाएंगे and वो drop हो जाएगा, curl pattern lose हो जाएगा. And if you don't use moisture based products and your hair is under moisturized, then it will get dry, it will get frizzy. And it also depends on products and techniques. Products like if you are not using moisturizing products, then also you are not getting the moisture that your hair needs to hold up. In that case also your curls won't last long. Different products have different hold levels, so you have to see what suits your hair type. If you are using soft hold gels or soft hold products, then it won't last long. So you have to use strong hold gels. Another point is technique. By technique, I'm trying to say all the things like the amount of water you use, the air drying process, or you are diffusing your hair, or using finger coiling technique or brush styling technique, or you are just crunching your hair. All the things depends. If you are in a humid place or monsoon place, the weather condition also affect your hair. It can be affecting your curls, that it won't let the curls last long. Most important thing, how you protect your hair. If you are not protecting your hair at night, then also you are not getting long lasting curls, because the protection of curls is the utmost priority in curly hair care routine. So I will share 12 tips to make your curls last longer. So let's get into it. So the first point is your curls don't have enough hold, or maybe you are using soft hold products. In that case, you have to use strong hold products like strong hold gels, curl creams. In that case, some strong hold gels have very runny consistency, some has a thick consistency. If you are using a strong hold gels with thick consistency, it may be drying. So in that case, you have to take the amount of gel you want, and then you have to spray water and emulsify and glaze and apply on your hair evenly and distribute it on your hair evenly. Each strands of your hair will get coated by the gel. So it will protect the moisture, get into the hair and get out of the hair. So in that case, your hair will last long and your hair will stay moisturized as well. So you have to pay attention to the products you are using. I will insert some gels here which have very film forming ingredients and have very good hold as well, and some leave-ins and curl creams too. So please check, and all of these products link you will get in the description box. You can buy from there. Second point is, maybe you are using a lot of leave-in or a lot of curl cream. So we don't want a lot of curl cream or lot of leave-in. You can choose to use a thoda sa kam leave-in or curl cream, and you can use the gel, the double amount of the curl cream. So if you are using a curl cream of pea-size amount, you can double that pea-size amount and apply that amount of gel on your hair. So make sure that your curl cream amount is less than your gel. And the third point is, maybe you are using too much water or maybe very less water. So make sure your hair is not damp. It should be dripping wet, not too much water. If you use too much water, then the products got diluted and it will just wash off. Okay, so you have to see that you are using the adequate amount of water, and then you can apply the styling product. Also, another point is if you are using a gel or anything, any styling product, please look for polycore film forming ingredients in the top 5 ingredient list. So I will share some hair gels if you want, so which has polyquat and film forming agents, which are anti-humidity ingredients which can combat freeze and which can make your curls last longer in humid condition, humid weather like monsoon as well, and you can get the links in the description box as well. Another tip is if you are using styling techniques, you can use brush styling techniques or finger coiling techniques for more definition and more long-lasting curls. You can just flip your hair and then style your hair as properly, and you can style in scrunch and pulse method. In that case also you will get good definition and long-lasting curls that I do normally. So make sure you are distributing the product evenly so that all your hair strands are getting the proper moisture and film forming agents from the gel. Another tip is if you are air drying your hair and you want to long last your curls, then you can switch to diffusing. I personally like diffusing for that purpose, for long lasting curls, and even it gives the definition and good definition and good fluffiness, and also it gives a very good volume as well. So diffusing, and many people ask me that diffusing can damage her. No, diffusing can't damage her. So you can use a head protectant spray if you like. If you want long lasting curls, then please go for the diffuser. Right now I'm doing air drying and it gives me good results, but if you are not getting long lasting curls, then you can go for diffusing. If you want a diffusing tutorial for that purpose, then I already have. You can check the description for that. Here is a bonus tip, that is when you are applying all the styling products, just take a microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt and scrunch with towel and remove the excess product and water, and then take another gel amount and glaze the gel on your hair. In that case, you will get a very good gel cast. And if you're not getting gel cast, you can skip cream or leave-in and directly jump into the gel part and apply a very generous amount of gel, and you will get gel cast. I have done this multiple times, so you can do that. But what I am saying, that glazing gel after micro plopping can give you a very long lasting curls and can give you a very good definition, very good gel cast. So you can try that. Another tip is when you are done with air drying or diffusing, when your head is 100% dry, that time when you are having very good gel cast, don't break it. Like even if you are going to bed, or if you are going to travel, or if you are staying in humid area, then please don't break the gel, and next day you will have a very good definition and long lasting curls as well. Another important tip is when you do SOTC, make sure you are not using any oil or serum. You are just using your bare hands and you can just crunch out the crunch. You can use a hairspray for long lasting results as well. If you want hairspray recommendations, then these are some, and I will link these in the description. Please check the description box for the product. These hairsprays won't damage your hair, but I will not suggest you use hairspray every day. Okay, and also you can use on even days, or on those days you want your curls last long but not more than 2 to 3 times. Okay, and these hairsprays don't have a very bad smell, but it has a smell, but it will fade away. And you can use some mist on your hair, and also it will make your hair a little productive, because it is a product, but it won't make your hair hard, don't worry. And the most important tip is you are not protecting your hair at night. I know that. So please do use satin bonnet and satin pillowcases, satin scrunchies to protect your hair at night. If you're not going to protect your hair at night, then it will look bad on the next day. You will lose your definition, your curls won't last long. So you have to use a hair bonnet. You can see that in this way you can wear the bonnet, and you can use a satin pillowcase to lie on and just get a good sleep. And for those who have high porosity hair and who has very damaged hair, in that case products will evaporate from your hair, the moisture will evaporate from your hair. I will give you a very good suggestion. You can do that. you can use bond repair treatments or protein based products like protein mask, protein stylers and bond repair treatments, which will get into the inner part of your hair and it will protect your hair. It will not allow the products and the moisture evaporated from your hair. So if you have high porosity hair or damaged hair, use protein based products and bond repair treatments for long lasting curls. And when your hair is already damaged, you won't get long lasting curls, but in this process your hair will get healthier and you will get long lasting curls. These are some tips and tricks for getting long lasting curls. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to my channel, and comment down your queries and the videos you want to watch, and all the products links are in the description box. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye.